So in this video, we'll be going over rolling back your software version from the one you're currently on to some previous backup version of the software that you may have been using in the past. And the reason you may want to do this is perhaps you were updating and the update broke your workflow somehow, or maybe you were beta testing some new myCNC version and you would like to roll back to a stable one. But if for whatever reason you'd like to roll back, you can do it using the following method. So here, for example, notice how I have version 1.88.4176, and let's say I'd like to roll back to some previous version of that. So we close our application, head over to our home folder. So right here I am on Ubuntu Mate 18.04. So we go into our file system, into the OPT folder, myCNC, and then Ubuntu 18_64. So here we have a number of scripts that will launch our application, and the one that is launched by default is this one called myCNC. So, and this is the one I would like to roll back from, so I do not want to use this one. So what we will do is we will delete this by doing our typical right click, move to trash, and then I select some backup file that I've been using previously. As you can see, I have a lot of those. So perhaps I would like to use this file from July 31st. So we go to rename it. We call it myCNC. And then we'll launch the application again. And now we have launched the application one more time, and you can see that I am now on version 1.88.4103, which was the version I was using back in July. So just to recap, all of your files are available in OPT myCNC Ubuntu 18.64. You rename the necessary file, and then you reload the software. Thank you for watching.